Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how you can get verified and get a green check mark next to your name on Kick.com. The requirements are pretty straightforward, so let's just get started. So to get verified, you first need to become a Kick affiliate. Becoming a Kick affiliate will give you a sub button and allow people to subscribe to you, and it'll also give you a revenue page in your creator dashboard. So to see the requirements to become a Kick affiliate, we first need to actually go to our creator dashboard, and to do that you want to click on your profile icon and click on Creator Dashboard. And now once you're here, just click on Achievements. And now here are the requirements to become an affiliate. You need to have a total of at least 75 followers and you need to have streamed at least 5 hours. So the requirements to get this are pretty simple. Now the verified requirements, on the other hand, are a little bit more difficult. To see the requirements for that, we need to come to this website here, kickstats.live. Like it says in the name, this website will show you basically all the stats for any streamer on Kick. But it'll also show you whether a streamer is verified or not and the requirements to get verification. So to see those requirements, you can search up your name here on Kick, or you can go to any other random streamers page. I'm just going to click on this one right here. And now once you're here, you just got to scroll down a little bit, and then on the side here, you'll see this Path to Verified section. And now as you can see, to get verified, you need to complete 3 requirements. You need to stream for 15 hours on Kick in the past month. You need to stream on 7 separate days the past month, and you need to average 50 viewers over the past month. So yeah, once you get these requirements, I don't know if it'll automatically verify you, or you have to go back to your creator dashboard that I showed you earlier, or maybe you have to contact them to get the verification. But either way, these are the requirements to get it. If this video helped you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.